Okay, so let's do problem 7 here. Um, so first I'll do it without desmos, and then I'll do it with desmos. Um, since this is a problem where they actually give you possible answers, maybe the easiest way to do this one is to just like try each one of these set coordinate pairs into each of these equations and see which ones actually create true statements. So if I put negative 14, 0 in here, this would be x and this would be y, right? So if I put negative 14 for x and 0 for y, I would have 0 less than or equal to negative 14 plus 7. And then I would have 0 greater than or equal to negative 2 times negative 14 minus 1. And let's see, this one would be negative 7, and this one would be positive 28 minus 1, so it would be 27. So 0 is less than or equal to negative 7, not true. 0 is greater, so this is not true. So this is wrong, right? Now I'm going to do x is 0, y is negative 17. So that would be negative 14 is y, 0 is x. So negative 14 less than or equal to 0 plus 7. And negative 14 greater than or equal to negative 2 times 0, which is 0, minus 1. And negative 14 is less than 7. Yeah, that's true. Negative 14 is greater than negative 1? No, that's not true. So this one's wrong too. If I put x equals 0, y equals 14, I would have 14 less than or equal to 0 plus 7. That's already wrong, right? This one's already wrong. And then I will try 14 in x and y is 0. So 0 is less than or equal, this better work. 14 plus 7, that's true, right? 0 is less than or equal to 21. And then 0 is greater than or equal to negative 2 times 14 minus 1. This is like negative 29. So yeah, this is also true. So D is the one that is true. I can find that just by plugging in each one of these into both of these equations, making sure that they both work. If it fails in the first equation, you don't need to proceed to the second equation anymore. Okay, so D is the correct answer. Let's see, how do you do this in Desmos? In Desmos, they give you equations, so you might as well just type these equations as is into Desmos. To type in less than or equal to, you just type in less than, and then equal, and then it'll combine it into one symbol. So this is one of the strong points for Desmos, right? Typing in these types of equations. So you can see that like it maps out the red region and the blue region, and what we want is the combined region, so the part that's covered by both the red and the blue, right? So this is the region that is the desired region. Which one of these points is in this region? Obviously negative 14 comma 0, that's way over here, so no. 0 comma negative 14, that looks like it's only going to be in red. It's down here, right? And 0 comma 14, that looks promising. Let's do that. 0 comma 14. Oh wait, no, 0 comma 14, that's up here, right? No, that's not. So it has to be 14 comma 0. Okay, so it's in both regions, right? So the answer is D.